Good morning, 7th graders. Obviously, I'm not here, so this video is going to go over what you're supposed to work on today with your guest teacher. We're going to take a break from the gluing activity today, and then when I'm back on Friday, we will actually make the glue and test it out then too. So today your assignment, you can find it in Schoology. You're going to see a video that's called Prototype This. And then there are a few questions that you're going to answer in a Google Doc afterwards. So I'll show you where that's at right now. You'll go to your Schoology. You'll see this video linked here also. But first step is going to be watch Prototype This. You can just click on this right here. And it's going to be a Google Doc video or Google Drive video that you can click on and watch. It is about 40 minutes long, so get those distractions away. Make sure you close out of those other games and tabs and just focus on this 40-minute video. And then when you're done watching that, you'll click on this here. It's a Google Doc of 5 different questions, and you will have to make a copy. So you'll go to the left corner, top left corner, make a copy, and that way you'll be able to actually type in there the answers. So watch this video and answer the questions, and you will then just share it with me. Click share. Yours will look a little bit different. You'll have to type your name into it and share it with me when you're done. So make a copy, share it with me. If you finish this and do all the questions, then the only other thing that you would need to do to be caught up is in your Gluing Design Notebook, Task 1 and Task 2. So that's your vocab definitions and research. If you're not done with that, you can work on that so you're ready to go on Wednesday or Friday. Have a good day, be kind, make good choices. Just because you have a guest teacher, don't act a fool. We'll see you on Friday.